Hello, welcome to AI Learning. Telangana Current Affairs. #11. Culture and Heritage. What is the traditional dance form of Telangana known for its vibrant movements? A. Perini. Bathakama. A colorful floral festival. Is celebrated during which season in Telangana? A. Spring. The famous Ramappa Temple, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is located in which district of Telangana? A. Warangal. Which festival is celebrated with grandeur at the famous Yadadri Lakshmi Narasimha Swami Temple in Telangana? A. Brahmotsavam. Cherial scroll painting, a traditional art form, is native to which district of Telangana? A. Karimnagar. The iconic Charminar in Hyderabad was built in which century? A. 16th century. The traditional dance form of Telangana, known for its vibrant and energetic movements, is called A. Perini Sivatandavam. The Pachampally village in Telangana is famous for its A. Handloom silk saris. The historical Golconda Fort in Telangana was originally constructed by the A. Kakatiya dynasty. The Medaram Jatara in Telangana is a tribal festival dedicated to which deity? A. Samaka Saralama. The Banalu festival in Telangana is primarily celebrated to honor the goddess A. Mahankali. The traditional art of storytelling through scrolls, known as Golconda Pata, is native to which region of Telangana? A. Hyderabad. The Warangal Fort in Telangana was constructed during the reign of the A. Kakatiya dynasty. The Dhoom Dham is a traditional folk dance of Telangana performed during which festival? A. Bathakama. The historical Qutbi Shahi tombs in Hyderabad are the burial sites of the rulers from which dynasty? A. Qutbi Shahi dynasty. The traditional art form of Telangana, Nirmal painting, is known for its intricate designs on A. wooden articles. The Makar Sankranti festival in Telangana is celebrated with the traditional dish called A. Sakanalu. The Cherial scroll painting of Telangana typically depicts stories from A. Indian epics. The historical Koti Lingala temples in Telangana are dedicated to A. Lord Shiva. The Samaka Saralama Jatara is a tribal festival celebrated in which district of Telangana? A. Mulagu. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more interesting learning videos.